Welcome to a place where craftsmanship meets creativity. This captivating new construction Case Homes is designed with care, built with confidence, and crafted for comfort. Take a look.
Nestled in the desirable Highland Springs neighborhood of Canyon, Texas, this stunning new construction by Case Homes offers the perfect blend of modern luxury and comfortable living. The heart of the home is the incredible kitchen with large bar area, beautiful granite countertops, and great cabinets with pull-outs. Privacy and tranquility await in the isolated primary suite, complete with its own ensuite bathroom. Additionally, a versatile, isolated fourth bedroom and bathroom offer flexibility for guests, and the covered back patio is the perfect place to entertain.
This home offers a combination of class, charm, and convenience. Yes, for your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.